The Vedanta Sutra, therefore, first aphorism, athāto brahma jijñāsā. Jijñāsā means inquire. Now it is the opportunity for inquiring about the self. Now means this human form of it. A dog cannot. So therefore Vedanta Sutra begins. Athāto brahma jijñāsā. This is the opportunity. Unfortunately, people are not given the opportunity, facility, school, college. They are simply giving more, become mechanics. How to deal with instrument, iron instrument, big institution, or technological understanding. So where is this technology? Why a dead man is dead man? Why don't you give some mechanical power so that he can come out again? Where is that technology? You know the technology. When a motor car is stopped, you know the technology, how to start it again. But you do not know these technologies. When this motor car, this body motor car will stop, you have no technology to start it again. Then where is the perfection of your technological institute? You are missing the real point. Therefore, above the jata, everything is failure, all technology failure. What is the use of? You do not know real technology, therefore it is failed. But the informations are there. If we are intelligent enough, then we can check what is it. Why a dead man cannot be revived into life again? Then what is the fact? But nobody wants to die. He wants to continue. Why he becomes old? Old means burning. Now be just like the, what is that? Yellow light. Now please prepare for the red light. So this is coming. You stop this. Technology. Where is your talk? Technology. But the information is there. As you have changed so many bodies from your mother's womb up to the point of death, so you are going to change another body. Therefore, any sane man will be, oh, then what is that body? What kind of body I am going to get? And that is intelligence. That is intelligence. And if he does not know, he dies like cats and dogs, then he spoils this whole life, human form. This is why.